speak with Katie, and well,
He's like 20 minutes late. I know that he's getting the Christmas gifts because I'm getting the rent receipts.
I hope he's okay.
I don't know, like how long did I wait? It's been 30 minutes. I tried to call him, I tried to text him, I haven't gotten an answer. So I don't really know what to do. I don't know. And I feel like I can't leave. So this was my first Christmas as a divorced single mom. You wanna know how it went? It is currently 8 a.m. on